Another wonderful question. Square root of 356 plus square root of 16 plus square root of 81. We don't even know what this is, so we cannot start from here. Let's start from the right. Square root of 81 is 9. Remember, 9 square is 81. Minus 9 whole square is also 81. However, square root of 81 is only plus 9. And very often I find people saying square root of 81 is plus or minus 9. Square root of 81 is always plus 9. It is not plus or minus 9. Remember that. This expression is square root of 356 plus square root of 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 356 plus square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So square root of 356 plus 5. Square root of 361. 361 is a perfect square. It's a wonderful perfect square. It is 19 into 19. 9 nines are 81. 1 8. 9 plus 8 17. Added to 190. 1 6. So square root of this number is 19.